You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Italian phrase pronunciation if you want to learn more confusing Italian vocabulary and more expressions from Italy that are confusing but very useful. Make sure to stay tuned, I've got many more videos for you. It means my heart or my darling, mi corazón. It would be said in Spanish. Cuore, meaning heart in Spanish. In Italian, sorry. Cuore is Spanish for heart. Mio, meaning mine. Cuore, cuore mio. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.